Hi, Boris here from Madness Autoworks, and today what we're going to do is show you how to install the new Power Plus engine module from SILA Concepts in the Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio that feature the 2-liter turbocharged motor. The SILA Concepts Power Plus module is an easy to install, effective way to increase horsepower and torque. It is a very affordable solution, and it is a very easy way to add extra 10 to 15% power throughout the power band, and in some places as high as 18 to 20%. The module is fully reversible and is really a great way to add power while you're on a budget. So stay tuned. We're going to bring in our shop manager Bill here to show you how to install it in the vehicle. As always, when you're looking to modify your Alfa Romeo, if you ever have a question about the Power Plus module or the many other modules and performance options we offer, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out, or drop us an email. Thanks again, and Bill, why don't you come on up here and let's get this install started, all right?
Okay, the first thing you do is open the hood. And you're going to want the engine to be cold. All right. Here's your harness. Controller. Engine cover. Let's come off. 210 millimeter. There we go. Cover. Undo the hose. 2 yellow clips. Push in on them. Releases the hose. Release this, a little more room. Then you take your hose out of the way and just lift up on your cover. Okay, here's one of your sensors here. This is manifold pressure right here. So you can undo that. Okay, go. And the next one is boost pressure back here. Right here. 3-pin, 4-pin. So we're going to snake our boost pressure through here and under here. And plug it in here. Click. Lock. Go into the sensor. Like so. Click. Lock. Click. Lock. Click. Click. Lock. There you go. We're going to snake it along here. Now that you got your module plugged, you can Velcro it here, double-sided tape, zip tie it to any of this here, down here, even right here if you wanted to. I normally just got double-sided tape and put it right there. And then we're going to zip tie this harness and then put our hose in the engine cover, and we're done. Once you run your harness, you're going to want to put this hose back on. It goes in the clip. In the clip first, and then click, lock. Click, lock. I need you to reset some stuff. So you're going to have to turn the steering wheel to that. Hold. Select like 5 seconds. Return to neutral or straight. Shut it off. And refire it. That's how you install the Power Plus on the Alfa 2-liter, both Giulia and Stelvio. Any questions, please give us a call or email.